Question number 5th. Jaya had 3 ribbons with her. The length of green ribbon was 2 meter 50 centimeter and the red ribbon was 3/5 length of the green ribbon. The yellow ribbon was 2 complete 1/2 times the red ribbon. What length of the yellow ribbon? Now we have given the length of green ribbon here. Now what is the statement is here? The red ribbon was 3 complete 1/5 of the length of green ribbon. So we can find the length of which ribbon? Red ribbon, by multiplying 3/5 in the length of green ribbon. So red ribbon length we will get from green ribbon by multiplying 3/5. Like this, the length of yellow ribbon we will get by multiplying 2 complete 1/2 into the red ribbon. So like this, in this order we will get the length of yellow ribbon. So now see the solution here. Jaya has green ribbon of length 2 meter 50 centimeter. So this this length is given in 2 units, meter and centimeter. So we will change into the centimeter. So 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter, that we know. So multiply the 100 in 12, so we will get 1200. Now 1200 plus 50 equals to 1250. Now how to get the length of red ribbon? By multiplying 3/5 into the length of green ribbon. So multiply 3/5 into 1250. So we can simplify this 5 and 1250. So 5 ones are 5, and from here when we divide this 1250 by 5, we will get the 250. When we divide 1250 by 5, we will get 250. So by dividing 1250 by 5, we got what? 250. Now then here 3 is left, then multiply the 3 with 250, so it is equals to 270 centimeter. So red ribbon, the length of red ribbon equals to 750. Now yellow ribbon, the length of yellow ribbon was 2 complete 1/2 times that the red ribbon. So yellow ribbon was 2 complete 1/2 of red ribbon. So red ribbon length we already got 750. So 2 complete 1/2 of red ribbon. So this 2 complete 1/2 is equals to 5/2. 2 into 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5/2. Now 5/2, simplify it, so we can cut 2 and this 750. So how to cut? Divide this 750 by 2. So by dividing the 750 by 2, we got 375. So we got 375. Now 5 is left, so multiply this 5 with 375, we will get 1875 centimeter. Now this answer in the centimeter, we can change this answer into the meter by dividing it by 100, by dividing 1875 by 100, because we know 1 centimeter equals to 1/100 meter. So divide this 1875 by 100. So simplify it, we can cut it by 2. So what we will get? 5 2s are 10, 0. So we left with 20. Now when we cut this, so we will get 3, 5 3s are 15, then 3 left, then 5 7s are 35, then 2 left, 5 5s are 25. So 375 upon 20. Now again we can cut this 20 by 5. So 5 4s are 20, and when we cut this by 5 we will get 75, and finally we will get 75 upon 4. So 75 upon 4, 75 upon 4 we can easily change into the mixed fraction, as we already solved so many questions how to change a improper fraction into a mixed fraction. Question number 6. 1800 people visit a book fair. 7 upon 18 of them were men. So men are 7 upon 18 of total. So we can get the number of men by multiplying 7 upon 18 into total number of people. Then ladies were 11 upon 24. So we can also find out the ladies by multiplying 11 upon 24 into 1800. So number of ladies and number of men we can find out by multiplying 7 upon 18 and 11 upon 24 respectively. Now remaining were children's. So we can easily find out the number of children's. If we are having the number of men and number of ladies, then how we can find out the number of children's? By subtracting the number of men and number of number of ladies into from 1800. So from total if we subtract the men and women, then we can get number of children's. So in this question it is asked children's, what fraction of the children and how many children were present. So two things we have to find here. First, number of children's and what fraction of the children. So fraction of children's and children's are present. So let's see how to solve this question. First, write down the number of people. So as I earlier told you, we can find out the man by multiplying 7 upon 8 of the people, 7 upon 18 of the people. So 7 upon 18 into 1800. So 7 upon 18, this 18 and 18 we can cut, and here we get 100. So 18 ones are 18 and here 18 ones are 18, and these 2 0 will left. So here we got 100. Now 100 into 7 equals to 700. So number of men are 700. Like this we can find the number of ladies. 11 upon 24 of the people are ladies. So 11 upon 24 into 1800. So we can cut this 24 and 1800. We can cut 24 and 1800. So by 2 when we cut 24 it left 12, and when we cut 1800 by 2 we left with 900. Now again we can cut this 912 by 2. So 2 6 are 12, and 2 4s are 8 and 2 5s are 10, and last 0. So now 900 becomes 450 and this 12 becomes 6. Now again we can cut it by 2. So this 6 is here, there is a 6. So by simplifying it we got 75, and 11 is left in the numerator here. So 11 into 75 will equals to 825 women. Now number of childrens, the number of childrens are what? Total minus men plus women. So by adding the number of men and number of women, then we subtract that number of men and number of women from the total. So we will get the number of childrens. So 1800 minus 700 plus 825, men plus women minus total minus men plus women. So number of children are 275. So we got the answer of how many children were present. Now one more question is there, what fraction of them were children? So what fraction of them? Fraction means fraction of children. So fraction of children equal to children upon total people. So children are 275 and total number of people are 1800. So 275 upon 1800, 275 upon 1800, you will get 11 upon 72. So by simplifying 275 upon 1800, we got 11 upon 72. How we cut it? By 5. So when we cut it by 5, 5 5s are 25 and then 2 left, then 5 5s are 25. So 275 when we divide, then it is 55. Now when we simplify 1800 by 5, so we got 360. So 5 3s are 15. So here 3 will left. Now 5 6 are 30 and this 0 we will add at the last. So 360 again we can cut by 5, 5 7 are 35 and 5 2s are 10, and here 5 we can also cut by 5, 5 1 are 5, 5 1 are 5. Like this we got 11 upon 72. So in this question, two questions are asked. First, number of children, how many children are present, and fraction of them. So number of children are 275 and the fraction 11 upon 72. Question number 7. The product of a fraction and the sum of 5 complete 1 upon 3 and 6 complete 1 upon 3 is 3. What is the fraction? So we have to find a fraction. So we will assume let that fraction be x, and the product of the fraction means the product of that fraction that we assumed x, product of that fraction and the sum of these two. So what we have to do? We have to add these two numbers, 5 complete 1 upon 3 and 6 complete 1 upon 3. So product of a fraction and the sum of these two number is 3. That means equals to 3. So this expression is formed. Now we have to solve this expression and we have to find the value of x, and the value of x is what? The fraction. So let's see, let fraction is x. So we assume fraction is x. The product of a fraction and the sum is equals to, fraction is equals to x. Now product of a fraction and the sum, so product of fraction x into 5 complete 1 upon 3 plus 6 complete 1 upon 3. To get 3 means equal to 3. So whenever it is written is 3 or to get the any number, to get 3, so we have to put equal to sign. Now we have to solve this bracket first. Now before solving this bracket, we have to change this mixed fraction into a fraction. So 5 into 3 equals to 15. 15 plus 1 equal to 16. 5 into 3 15, 15 plus 1 16. Now 3 into 6 18, 18 plus 1 19. So the fractions 16 upon 3, 19 upon 3 both are having the common denominator 3. So we can add their numerator directly. 16 plus 19 equals to 35. Now what we can do here, this fraction 35 upon 3 we can transfer that side. So when we transfer this whole fraction 35 upon 3 that side, then this plus this multiplication sign will change into the divide sign. Okay, transferring the 35 upon 3 from left to right, then the sign of this fraction will change from multiply to divide. So here x only left, and this fraction 35 upon 3 will be transferred to the right hand side. So it will be transferred here. Here only x is left. Now how to solve this expression? So many questions we solved. we can solve this by converting this divide sign into multiply and reciprocal the fraction. After reciprocal of the fraction, we will get 3 upon 35. Then here 35 cannot be divisible by this 3 or this 3. So we have to multiply the numerator 3 into 3. We will get 9 and in the denominator only 35. So our answer 9 upon 35.